Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Make sure your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later before you begin. Check for enough free home screen space to place a widget. Long press any blank area until icons wiggle and you enter jiggle mode. Tap the plus icon in the top corner to open the widget gallery. Scroll or use the search field and type photos to find the built-in Photos widget. Select photos to see available sizes and tap Add Widget to place it on your screen. Tap the widget to preview size options before placing it on the home screen. The built-in Photos widget offers small, medium, and large sizes for different layouts. Small typically displays 1 photo, medium cycles 4 images, and large cycles roughly 8 photos. The native widget shows featured or on-device memories automatically by default. If you want a specific album or static image, install Widgetsmith or Photo Widget and grant Photos permission. Configure that app to target a chosen album, and then add its custom widget to your screen. To change widget behavior, long press the Photos widget until the menu appears. Choose Edit Widget to toggle features like Smart Rotate or to select a linked album when supported. To combine widgets, drag one widget on top of another and create a smart stack that rotates by time or context. Rearrange widgets in jiggle mode by dragging and dropping them into new positions on the grid. Remove any widget by long pressing and selecting Remove Widget, then confirm removal. Lock your layout by exiting jiggle mode and using focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.